In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and delete reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Select the enterprise or location the report is at, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Designs. You will automatically be taken to the last report you were working on. To the left, you will see a list of all of your current reports. If you had a report shared with you by someone else, you will not be able to change that report. But you can copy the report, then make any changes you want. Let's say my coworker shared a report on locations. So I will click on that report. Then I will go to the top of the report and choose Copy. TeamWork 5 is going to let me know that the source of this report is location, and it's going to ask me to give it a new name. Maybe I'll change this to Location List Updated. If you don't want to make a copy of this report, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now a copy of that report has been created. If you don't see that report listed in the left-hand column, click on the arrow next to Designs and choose Refresh. That should bring the report back up. Don't just keep copying it, then you'll end up with 5 versions. Next, click on your copy of the report, and now you can make any changes that you want to. That's how you can copy a report. Let's say that I made this copy and I don't want it anymore. It turned out that I didn't need to make any changes. I can delete this report by going to the bottom left corner and clicking on Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this report. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that report has been deleted. That's how you can copy and delete reports from your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to create crosstab or matrix reports.